This is a can of Great Stuff foam. It has a use by date of July 2018. Today is August the 22nd, 2021. So it's a little out of date. I have shaken the can. It works just fine. So don't give up on a can of this just because it's been sitting on the shelf. Mind you, this has not been allowed to get real hot or to freeze. It's been in a climate-controlled workshop. It's been about an hour since I sprayed that. This needs moisture to cure. I'm in an air-conditioned shop, and the humidity here is about 20%, 21. I missed a little water on here to help that set up. Now the can, I took the nozzle off, that oozed out. I'm going to leave that alone until the next time I get ready to use it. In my experience, if you can hear that shaking back and forth in the can and it sprays out, it will set up. It may not expand quite as much as a brand new can, but nothing wrong with that. And I'll leave this alone until I get ready to use it next time.